What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin, and in today's video, we're gonna be breaking down the new software company that I've been talking about. It's been over 5 months in the making, over $30,000, and finally, it is here for you guys to enjoy. It's completely free. I'm excited to break down what it does in today's video, and I just wanna say thank you guys for the support. I can't do anything without you, so do me a favor, go like the video, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and then at the end of the video, I would appreciate it if you would leave your feedback. Let me know. You guys can email me. I'll put a link down below that you can email with your feedback. And then also, I would really appreciate it if you would go to the website, sign up, and leave feedback on the website. So I literally can't contain my excitement because, like I said, it's been 5 months in the making, $30,000 later, a hefty investment, but this website and this company is for you. As you guys know, I've been trying to keep it real from day one, and this website is even going to make it even more real, and it's going to weed out all the BS on the internet. So let's dive into it. All right, so let's dive into the video and let's break down what this software is going to do and what it means for you and me, because I'm really excited. But first, I want to ask you guys a few questions because this is what the software is going to do, and I know that the majority of you guys can relate. So number one, how many times have you seen an ad on Instagram, on YouTube, probably on my YouTube videos, of someone in front of a Lamborghini, someone with a wad of cash saying, hey, I have this opportunity and all you need to do is give me X amount or watch this free training and I'll show you how to make $1 million. And they're kind of manipulating you, they're kind of tricking you. The advertising is kind of false. And I know I've seen it, and I don't know if you guys have too. And quite frankly, that's why I started the channel, is because there's so much garbage on the internet. And I was thinking, hey, I'm going to come to market, create a YouTube channel, and try to be a little bit different, try to be open, try to be transparent, show my numbers, show my sales, show what's going on inside my business, because not a lot of people were. They were just showing their fancy things, their Rolexes, their Lamborghinis, their nice mansions, and all of that stuff. And so I thought to myself, well, let's do something different. Lo and behold, I've been at it for 2.5 years. It's gotten maybe a little bit better. I've been able to reach quite a few people. I mean, we have just over 23,000 subscribers on the channel, but the problem is still there and it's only going to get bigger. So if you guys are in that situation where you're just getting hounded and blasted with ads and you don't know what the best opportunity is to make money, whether it's real estate, whether it's Amazon, whether it's crypto, whether it's investing, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's drop shipping, I mean, you name it, there's someone out there trying to teach you how to do those things. So the question is, how do you know what is the best course? How do you know who is legit, who is not? There's not a platform that tells you, because all on these websites, all they have is testimonials of the best results. The student results where maybe 1 out of 1,000 succeeded, and that's what they're showing you. Those are testimonials that they're displaying. And so what we decided to do, me and my 2 good buddies, is launch a review platform for online courses. And that is the software company. It's called CourseRanks. And I want to dive into my screen and show you guys exactly what it does and how it's going to benefit literally everybody for good and bad, okay? So as you guys can see, this is CourseRanks. We're still in the process of development. We are continuing to add features every single day. So you guys can go to CourseRanks.com and you guys can sign up completely free. This is a free platform for everybody, creators and students. Literally, we want to make this as accessible as possible. So what you're gonna do is come create an account, and what we're trying to accomplish is for you to never waste a penny on the wrong course again. There's been a lot of people, at least I've been in contact with, that have spent thousands of dollars on a course and they didn't get anything in return. And so we want to solve that problem. We want you guys to buy the right online course, because from my experience, online courses are incredible. They are amazing. I've learned so much, and that's why I'm at where I'm at today, is because of online courses. I've taken real estate courses, I've taken Amazon courses, I've taken YouTube courses, affiliate marketing courses, you name it. I've taken a lot of courses and I've learned a lot of good information. But sadly, not all information in these courses is good. It's not up to date. the course creator doesn't actually do what they're teaching, they're just teaching. And they're regurgitating the information. And so this platform is going to build transparency for the make money online course industry. So as you guys can see, this is the website. Like I said, we're still making improvements, but as you guys can see, it enrolled in an online course, write a review. So you guys can go right here, click write a review. You'll have to sign up, create an account before you can write a review. You have to verify your email. There's a whole verification process and whatnot. But we want legit reviews. We don't want just fake reviews. And so we've done a lot of software features and engineering to create a good, honest platform. And I'm excited for you guys to check it out. But do me a favor, if you guys have taken any online course, whether it's mine, whether it's I literally don't care what online course, go to CourseRanks.com and sign up and write reviews, because you're going to help, as you guys can see, help people make the right choice for the next course they buy. And that's what we're trying to do here. We're just trying to help everybody. That means you. We're trying to help you make the best decisions when it comes to buying courses. And I literally am so excited right now. It's unreal. So right here, we also have a course creator. So if you guys are a course creator, you can come here and claim your profile. Or if your course isn't listed, you can suggest a course and you can get your course on our platform for free. So all you need to do is come here and claim your profile. You can sign up. There's a verification process to make sure that it is you, the course creator. So you have to go through that verification process. And that is basically it. And the platform is awesome. It's super clean. It's super sleek. But a few things that I do want to talk about is if there's not a course on here that you have that's not on here, please suggest it. So click this link, suggest a course, and you can literally enter in the title, the website, the price, the YouTube channel of the course creator. You can leave any descriptions and then you can submit. And then on our back end, we'll go in and verify it and get it uploaded to the database. So that's what that is. And as you guys can see, we have a variety of different categories. So we have affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, consulting, e-com, investing, real estate, social growth, social media marketing agency. There's a lot of courses. And it's insane as we are going through it. There's literally thousands. Number one question is, how do you weed out what's good and what's bad? Because a lot of times, all we see is the blasted ads everywhere on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And so this is a place where if you want to learn a skill, you can come right here and search for a course. If you're looking to get into e-com, you can click here and go through all the courses and see what has the best reviews. And you can click there and then buy it. Instead of watching 5 million different webinars, different trainings, different videos, trying to weed out what's good and what's bad, you can read legit information. So this is kind of cool. I'm going to search a course that I actually took that is one of my favorite courses that I've taken. His name is Graham Stephan, his YouTube creator academy. So as you guys can see, I searched his course and there's 2 reviews on it. So we don't have a ton of reviews on here. So that's why I'm creating this video. I'm hoping that you guys can come in, leave reviews on the different courses that you have purchased. And as you guys can see, I wrote my review. So it says my review. It talks about the 2 reviews and it shows just authentic, real information. And we want you guys to write the good information and the bad information, because there are some times where, yes, it's bad information, but there's other times, like with this course, it is really, really, really good information. And so that's what we want to do, is just create an amazing online community. And I literally have been trying to keep this a secret for so long, and I'm excited for you guys to see it. So go to CourseRanks.com, sign up. Again, it's completely free, and start leaving reviews. And then when it comes to buying your next course, you can come to CourseRanks and you can verify and vet the course creator. And if they don't have any reviews, that means maybe they're not super credible, or if they have a bunch of bad reviews, maybe that's something to avoid. But if they have a bunch of good reviews, that's a good sign. And so that's what our goal is for you to never waste a penny on an online course. We're trying to burst the guru bubble, if you will, and this is the platform that's going to do it. And so far, no one has done a platform like this. So I'm excited to hear your guys' feedback. And if you guys have any questions, concerns, you guys want to give me some input, then email me at Trevin@CourseRanks.com. I'll put it down in the description down below, and you can email me, and we'd love to hear your feedback and your input. But all I ask is for you to go sign up, start leaving reviews for the courses that you've taken, and I appreciate your guys' support. And this company is going to hopefully explode with your guys' help, and I just want to say thank you. We've spent a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of money, a lot of hard work into this, and I hope that it goes well and you guys respond well. But this platform is for you, because I've been in your shoes. I've been trying to weed out information, and there's no good place to do it. So that's what this is going to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited for you guys to check it out. It's CourseRanks.com, and we will see you guys on the inside.